Hello everyone, so in this short video I am going to tell you use of want to, which we generally use in the daily life sentences, and these are the small sentences which will improve your English and which will make you more confident speaking in English sentences. For that I'm going to start with the first we'll learn that what exactly the formula, very simple formula which we can use for the simple and negative sentences. Okay, for that first of all you have to add subject plus want to can be used as a wanna as well. Okay, want to or wanna, and plus verb first form and object at the end. So this is the very simple formula which you can use. So now let's see some example as well. I want to go there, I want to meet him, I wanna go there, I wanna see him. So these are the some simple sentences with want to. Let's see some negative also, because I'll cover all the terms in this video. Negative. For negative is I don't wanna go there or I don't want to go there. So these are the two ways by which you can see. You just need to add a do not, or as per the subject you can change it. If she or he is there, so you can use doesn't. She doesn't want to go with me, he doesn't want to come with me. So these are the ways by which you can use it. Now let's move to the next, that is interrogative. Interrogative means when we ask question in term of question. Okay, so do you wanna eat pizza, do you wanna go with him, do you like him? So these are the ways by which you can use it, and as per the subject you can change it. Fine, let's move to the next, that is interrogative plus negative. For interrogative, that it's very simple. Don't you want to go there, don't you want to try one, don't you want to have fun with me? So these are the ways by which you can say. Now let's move to the some sentence, that is WH family, where we use why, where and when. So the sentence is where do you want to go, why do you want to go, and when do you want to go. So these are the sentence by speaking you can improve your English. For that, thank you so much. You can watch the more videos. Please like and subscribe my channel to more videos, to more uses of English terms, and you can suggest me in the comment section as well.